Hey everybody, Dr. Dave Marquis here, and I have a very brief message about doing a little bit of your own research on a topic that I'm getting bombarded with questions about right now because there's so much push by the CDC and other entities for embracing jabbing our kids now in the 5 and under age group. Now, I can tell you about myself and my own family, but I really can't make any specific recommendations broadly beyond that. But I can tell you the things that I see clinically, and I can also tell you about things that I've observed myself. I have so many things that I would just love to share with you, but sadly, because of the compression of our First Amendment rights, there's many things that I can't really even say on this channel without having repercussions in that regard. So you may find in the notes below this video, go to that section, and you just might find a video there that you could link to that would have a little bit more information about some things that I'd really love for you to know about this topic. Because we need to embrace information as fast as we can and do our research and not be trusting of things that are being passed on via the media, because our lives and our kids' lives and their futures really depend on that. Before you make any decisions that may have permanent or lifelong consequences, please do that research. Use the video that we've attached to the description in this video right here as a good reference and go from there. Please take the time to do that and be well.